What is cognitive robotics? To understand cognitive robotics, imagine the difference between an industrial robot that only knows how to repeat a programmed task, like welding a part, and a robot that can understand its surroundings, make decisions, and learn from its mistakes. While the first is a specialist that follows instructions, the second is a student that thinks. In essence, cognitive robotics is a field that integrates artificial intelligence and cognitive sciences to create robots that can reason, learn, and act autonomously in complex and unstructured environments. Its goal is to build robots that think, not just obey orders. For a robot to be cognitive, it needs 4 key capabilities. The first is perception. This goes beyond simply seeing. A cognitive robot doesn't just detect a chair, it recognizes it as an object it can interact with. The second is reasoning and planning. This is the robot's ability to solve problems. If an object it needs is behind a box, the robot doesn't give up. It plans a sequence of actions to move the box and then reach the object. The third capability is learning. A cognitive robot doesn't need to be programmed for every situation. It uses machine learning algorithms to improve its performance with experience. And the fourth is communication, which allows it to interact naturally with humans, for example, by understanding complex verbal commands. Imagine a cognitive robot working in a warehouse. A traditional robot would follow a fixed route to pick up a package. In contrast, a cognitive robot could find a new, more efficient route, learn to identify a new type of box it's never seen before, and adapt if an unexpected obstacle blocks its path. In short, cognitive robotics is the next big step in the field, aiming to create robots that aren't just simple tools, but intelligent partners capable of making decisions and collaborating with us in increasingly complex and autonomous ways.